I'm falling for you, girl. See, I'm missing you, girl. Loving you, girl. Maybe that makes you take my heart.
Hey y'all, please ignore my nails, okay? Don't judge me, alright? I'm back again. I'm empty that beauty. Yes, girl. So here in this video, I'm gonna show you all how to create a soft glam makeup look. So this is for those who don't want that dark look, you want that soft look. I'm here for you, alright? Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Alright, if you have any comments, please comment right below, and don't forget to share. Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna go ahead with the Temptation eyebrow to draw my eyebrow. So this is the eyebrow I use, but this is not the only eyebrow, but right now in this video, this is the brow I'm gonna use to show you all how I do my eyebrows. So basically I just do fillings in my eyebrow, my natural eyebrow. I don't really do a lot of dramatic drawing. I just try to fill it in to have the most natural eyebrow look. And I just brush that in to blend it, and I go ahead with my concealer, to clean it up. You need to clean it up so that it gives that dimension to the eyebrow pops. Eyebrow needs to pop. So I just blend the concealer because you don't want to have that harsh concealer look. Please avoid it, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead with the light pro concealer. If you want your eyeshadow color to pop, you need to use a lighter concealer to apply on your eyelid before applying the eyeshadow. So I just apply the concealer, then I blend it in with my brush, and just so it doesn't have that crease, and I use the Dermablend setting powder to set the concealer on my eyelid. Yep, just set and set and set. All right, mademoiselle. So now I'll go ahead with the James Charles Murphy palette. You all know this is my go-to palette, okay? So I'm trying to figure out what color to use because I'm trying to do a simple eye look. I'm not gonna go into all the cut crease and all that. So I'm gonna use the fluffy brush and start with that brown shade and blend that as my transition color. And I'm gonna go with that light pink shade and apply that on my eyelid. So I'm just adding some more brown transition color to the eye look, and I realized the brush didn't do a good job with the pink shade, so I've decided right now to use my finger to apply the light pink shade to my eyelid, just so it gives the look I want. So I just tap it, and I realized it actually did a pretty good job. So I just tap that on my eyelid, and as you can see, I winged my eye off camera. So right now I'm gonna wing my eye some more with the white eyeliner that's just close to the first black eye wing. So I try to give that detail line just right next to it, and don't worry about making any errors. So if you make any errors, you can just go back with the black eyeliner to fix it up. So right now I'm just going back to any errors I made with the white eyeliner, and just fix that up. Nobody's perfect, just fix it. So I'm just using my Maybelline mascara and just get rid of all those white eyeshadow hanging on my eyelashes. So I'm going to do my eyelashes off camera. Please, I'm looking at you, okay? Don't forget to thumbs up, please. Thumbs up, share. All right. So as you can see, my lashes was done. I'm using the waterproof cleanser to clean off any eyeshadow droppings on my face. All right. So I'm using this illuminator primer to prime my face before I apply my foundation. So I just, the normal routine, just blend the foundation on my face. You guys know all this part. Put my concealer to all my T-zone area where I want the highlights to to pronounce. I said pronounce. Anyways, so now I'm using my contour and contour the face. This is my best part. I like to snatch that face. I like to snatch it to give my face some, face bones. Right now I'm just blending, of course. Blend. Everything is blending. So now I just blend the contour, the cream contour. Just blend it where I apply them, and now I go with that same setting powder and set my face. Dermaben setting powder, that's the name, and just set my concealers just so I don't have the creases. And now I'm going back to that contour and applying the contour powder to it. So I'm just trying to blend because I realized I had to apply a lot, so I'm just trying to blend. But I'm now going ahead with the Maybelline powder and just apply it all over my face to give that matte look. If you have oily face like me, you need to put a lot of powder. So right now, of course, setting, I go back with the blush and apply that on my cheeks, so it gives me that blush. And now I use the highlight, not a lot because we're supposed to do a soft glam, so just apply the highlight so softly on your cheek. And now I'm going ahead with this black eyeliner and I apply it on my waterline. I'm not gonna do it a lot, so I'm going back with that brown shade and apply that on my lower waterline. Then I apply a mascara to my lower lash, and now I move to my lip. So I just line my lip with the pink lip liner, and I go ahead with that nude lip stick. I don't know if it's a lip gloss or a lipstick, but you guys see it. Anyways, so I just blend it, and voila. Thank you all so much for watching. This is a soft glam makeup for you want to have that bright daytime glam. That is it. All right, don't forget to subscribe, girl. Don't only watch and you don't subscribe. Come on now. Okay, subscribe. All right, ciao, peace. Mwah. Thank you.